In this video, I'm gonna show you guys a swing trading strategy for Forex trading that's gonna give you a 70 to 80% win rate in the markets. This strategy that I'm going to show you right now has even helped me get my two favorite Rolex watches. So let's go into the strategy right now. But before I start the strategy, this is video 5 out of 100 in the next 6 months. And I promise I'm gonna show you guys a lot of strategies going forward. But I noticed over 70% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that like button right now. But without further ado, let's get into the strategy. All right, guys, so we are on our computers right now, and we're going to go ahead and talk about the strategy and what indicators we're going to be using for this strategy. The same strategy has helped me get a very high win rate in the markets. So the indicator we're going to use is called Elite Algo version 28. I'm going to show you guys at the end of the video exactly how you can get it because it's not available on the public library. But don't worry about it. Just watch the video for now until the end. And at the end, I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can put it on your charts yourselves. So for this strategy to work, you're going to want to have the same exact settings as I have myself on this indicator. So to do that, you're going to go over right up here. You're going to press the settings icon, and then you're just going to copy the same settings that I have for this strategy. So under the signal logic, you could put it on swing, signal mode, AI mode, and then next we're going to have sensitivity set to 20 or 15, whatever you like best. You want to make sure that the candle coloring is on as well. And then you want to make sure that the reading assistant is on, and you want to make sure that the trend sniper is on actually as well, guys. And then the dashboard, turn that on as well. And then that's pretty much it. And you can choose to turn on the take profit and stop loss labels as well if you want to have the algorithm predict the stop losses and entries for yourself. So we're gonna put this over here, turn this on, and that's pretty much it. We're also gonna turn on the order blocks. That's the last thing. Then we're gonna press OK. Now our charts is gonna look very similar to the way I have it right over here on my screen. Now let me show you guys step by step what you want to look for a strategy in order to enter a buy signal and enter a sell signal using this indicator. Okay, so let's check this out right here. I'm gonna show you guys all the conditions that we need in order to enter a buy signal. So we have a fresh buy signal that was posted on our charts right over here, guys, as we can see. And it was also a big green candle, which tells us that there's a lot of volume to the upside on their charts. Next, guys, what we want to look at is we just want to look at the rating assistance right over here. We want to make sure that it is green, as we can see, which is good. That means it's telling us that the price chart is currently bullish, so we should be taking buy opportunities here. And we can see the trend sniper has also turned green right over here if we zoom in very slightly. So we want to have these two confirmations that this is green as well as the rating assistant is green. We have those two confirmations, guys. Now what we want to do is simply just take the buy signal right over here. And as we can see, we have our stop loss and our take profit levels recommended by the algo. So we're going to go ahead and hit that trade. And as we see, the price goes up, gives us a little bit of drawdown, but eventually goes up and hits our first take profit right over here. So this is automatically a winning trade, guys. And at this point, what you can do is simply take all your profits, or you can trim like 75% of it and move your stop loss to break even. So you move your stop loss to the entry line, as we can see right over here. And we can see that the market volatility is still high, and we still have a green raising resistance. So this is, we can continue to trade if we like. And as we can see, the price goes up and eventually hits our second take profit right there. At this moment, I would say close all the trades and collect your profits for this strategy. Let me show you guys a couple more examples so you can understand exactly how to use this yourselves. All right, guys, so here's a second example of another signal that we could take using this strategy. And remember, guys, we're swing trading here, so we're using only the 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, or 4 hour time frames. We don't want to go less than 1 hour time frame if we're looking to swing trade in the markets. So we have a fresh buy signal, we have the green rating assistance line, and we have a green trend sniper right over here. As we can see, market volatility is high, which is good. It tells us that there's a lot of volume in the market. This is exactly what we want, guys. So we can take this trade right here and target TP1 or TP2. So we go ahead and do that. And as we can see, the price goes down a little bit drawdown, but that's okay. Eventually shoots up and hits our take profit one. This is exactly what we want to see here. At this point, you can close your trade completely or close 75% of your trade and then move your stop loss to break even and target TP2. So let's pretend we did that, and we can see that the price again goes back up a little bit more and hits our second take profit right there, guys. At this point, you should probably close your trade or continue moving your stop loss up and take a little more profit on that trade as well. And we can keep running it and see what happens, but eventually I think it hits TP3 here. Yes, it does. So this is the moment where, okay, let's stop being greedy here. We got 3 take profits out of the way, and let's close our trade completely. This strategy is super simple. So all you really got to do, again, just wait for a new signal. When a new signal comes, make sure it is in the same trend as the Radiant Assistance and the Trend Sniper. So those are our two confirmations that we're looking to use. And that's pretty much it. As long as all those conditions match, then we're good to go. Now, one more thing I want to show you guys with this is if you don't want to be waiting on the charts 24/7 and waiting for a signal to pop up and just kind of staring at your charts all day, you can actually set alerts for these signals to notify you every single time that they happen and appear on your chart. Let me show you guys exactly how to do that. So what you want to do is very simple here. You just want to go into the algo settings. So you press the settings icon right here. You want to go down to where it shows you that any alert function calls here. And then what you want to do is simply hit buy, sell, and then strong sell. Select that, select those as well. Then press OK. Now what you want to do is simply just right click the chart anywhere, hit that add alert button, and then over here, what you want to do is condition, select elite algo, any function call, put it on once per bar closed because we only want to enter the trade once the candle closes. This is very important. We can name the alert whatever we like, and then we can set the notifications to show up wherever we like. So whatever you choose here, that's how you're going to be notified for this trade. And then that's it. We're going to hit create, and now you're going to receive an alert every single time there's a signal on the chart you set the alert for. Very, very, very simple. Okay, so earlier I told you guys, I'll show you guys at the end of the video how you can add this indicator to your charts. It's very simple. So you want to go up to indicators right here. You want to type in Elite Algo version 28. If you don't see it pop up on your trading view right here, that means you haven't been granted access to it yet. And in order to get access to this indicator, because it is a private indicator, what you need to do is go to our website right here, elitesignals.com, and simply just sign up for access on the website. And while you're on the website, you can also join our Discord server. And the Discord server has over 50,000 people in it. Let me show you guys real quick. This is the Discord server right over here. As we can see, we have over 51,000 members in the Discord server. And in the Discord server itself, we have pro analysts that tell you exactly what they're trading. So you can go ahead and copy them. We have over, let's take a look down here. We have over 6 analysts for stocks and options. We have over 7 analysts for Forex and another 7 analysts for crypto signals as well. So if you guys want access to all that, go ahead and join the Discord server as well. You can find the link directly on our website just by clicking join Discord right over here. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button and like this video. And again, we're making more videos every single day from now on, pretty much. So if you want that, subscribe. Other than that, guys, have yourselves a good day.